Now, today we are going to start exercise 6.4. Here given what? Without finding square root, find how many digits are there in the square root of the following. Means here told that without finding square root, we have to find that how many numbers are there. Means with 100, what number is square means how many numbers are there. Then how can we find? You just see here solution. N equal to how many? N means you have to count the number 1, 2, 3. 3. If 3 is what? Odd, no? And if odd, then formula will be what? N plus 1 by 2. Then n value is 3, means 3 plus 1 by 2. Then how much? 4 by 2 equal to 2. Then means, therefore, what will be here told that how many digits are there in the square root? Then how many? There are 2 digits in the square root. Okay. Next, number 2, see here. Number 2 given 21904. Then solution. Now n equal to, again you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, means 5. And it also what? Odd number. Then formula will be what? N plus 1 by 2. Then means 5 plus 1 by 2 equal to 6 by 2 means 3. Then therefore what will be? There are 3 digits in the square root. Okay. Next, number 4. Sorry, 3. 3 number given 17850 625. Okay. Then now here solution. N equal to what? Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. Now this is what? Even. If even, then what formula will be? N by 2. Okay. But when odd number will be there, then you have to take n plus 1 by 2. But even then, you have to take only n by 2. Then n by 2 means 8 by 2 equal to 4. So what will be? Therefore, there are 4 digits in the square root. Okay. Then this is the number 1. And again today I am saying that those candidates are new. Please you subscribe and share with your friends. Okay. Like and comment. Okay. And do not forget to press the bell icon. Now next, number 2. Using division method, find the square root of each of the following number. Okay. Number 1, 676. Now here told that you have to find that what? Using division method, find the square root of the following. Division method means you know divide, but according to same process of the divide, you have to divide. Take this means how? See here, 676, but has no number to divide it. No, is it only given in divide and given divisor is not there. So how to find? You see here. Means whatever number we put, we have to put here also. Means at first you have to, first process is what? You have to take the 2 number. This 2. From the this side you have to take. This left single, no? Then no problem. But from the this side you have to take 2 numbers. Then now left 6. Now 6, what number here will be put? The same number you have to put here. Means 2, 2. then 2 2 is a 4. If we put 3 3, then what will be 3 3 is a 9, then it will be more, no? So we taken 2 2 2 4, then minus, then what will we get here? 2. Now come not a single number, now two numbers will be come down. Okay, now this 2 will be plus with 2, then what will we get? 4. Is it? These 2 will become here 4. Now with 4, what number will be put here and same number here also, then we will be get 276. Means what number? Means if we put 6 here and 6 here also, then multiply 6 6 is 36, carry 3 24 and 3 27. Means 6 we have to take. Means here also 6 and 6, then 276 minus, then therefore square root 676 equal to how much got? 26. Okay, now again I am saying that whatever numbers we have to put this side, you have to put above also, same numbers you have to put whenever. Okay, next our number 2, see here, number 2 given 841, then 841 how will be? 841, sorry, it will be divide 841. Then now see here also these two number taken, now remain 8. Then what numbers we have to take? 2. Then 2 2 is a 4. Minus what will be? 4. Double number will become 4. This 2 will be plus here. Then how much? 4. Now again here put what numbers we can put? If we put 9, then 9 9 is 81, carry 8, 9 36 and 8 44. Understood? So therefore what will we get? Square root 841 equal to 29. Okay, suppose number 3, number 3 3 here what given? 1156, 3 number, and if we divide 1156, now see here these two, now 2 2 become, now at first we have to take 11, then 11 will be how many times? 3 times. 3 3 is a 9. Now 11 minus 9 how many? 3 or 2, and now this 2 will be come down, then what will be? 5 6, this 2 number will be come down, means 11 minus 9 2, and 56 will be came down. Now this 3 will be plus again, then 3 3 is a 6. Now what number will be put? Then we will be get again this number. If we put 4, 4 4 is a 16, carry 1, 4 4 is a 24, 1 25, means cancel. Therefore what will we get? Root 1156 equal to how much? 34. Understood? Next number 4. 4 is given 2025. Okay, and if we divide this 2025, these two number taken, now 20 20 means if we take 5, then 5 5 is 25, then so you have to take 4, then 4 4 is 16, minus 4 25. Now this 4 will be plus, then how much? 8. Okay, now with 8 what number will be take? Then you will be get the 425. 5 if we take, then it means last 5, then 5 we have to take. 5 5 is 25, 5 at the 40 and 2 42, then cancel. Okay, then therefore you got what? Root 2025 equal to 45. Next number 5. Number 5 given 2704. Same condition, 2704. Then what will we get here? This 2, this 2. Now 27. 27 means 5 times we can take. 5 5 is 25. This line you have to no need to give. Okay, just I am giving to explain you. No need to give. You just with pencil you can put. After it you can rub. Okay, for understand. But no need to put with pen. Now if we minus this, then what will we get? 7 minus 5 2. 2 minus 2 is 0. Then now comes 0. Now 5 here will be plus. Then means what? 5 5 plus, then 10. Then with 10 what numbers we can put? Then will we get this If we put 2, then 2 2 is 4, 2 0 is 0, 2 1 is 2. Then what will be got? Cancel. So therefore square root 2704 equal to 5 2. Okay. Now see here, square root you must be put the whole number, not only for half. You have to put whole. Next number 6. 6 is given 4 4 8 9. Okay. Then now see here 4 4 8 9. If we take two numbers, this two, then means first is 44. Then 44 will be go with what number? 7 then 49. 7 7 is 49. But we have to take 6. 6 is 36. Now minus, then what will we get? 44 minus 36. That means 14 minus 6, then 8. There will be left 3 minus 3 0. Now these two number will become, then now 6 here will be plus, then 6 6 12. Now with 12 what number will be put, then will we get this. And if we put 7, means 7 7 is 49, carry 4, 7 2 is 14 and 4 18, carry 1, 7 1 is 7 1 1 8, cancel. Therefore square root 4 4 8 9 equal to 67. Okay. Next number 7. 8100 2 2. Now first is 8, then 8 means we can take 9 times. 9 9 is 81. Then 9 plus, then what will we get? 18. Now this is minus, this will be 0 0. Then what number you can take? If we take 0, then 0 into 180 means 0 only. Then cancel. Then what got? Therefore 8100 equal to 90. Okay. Next 8 number 14641. 14641. Now see these two, now left 1. This means 1 time will be go. 1 is 1 time, cancel. Then now 1 minus 1 cancel. Now you may count both numbers 46. Now 1 plus 1 means 2. With 2 what number will be put, then we will be get 46. Then means 46 not get, then also you have to take the less than 46 only. If we take 2 times, then 2 2 is 44, minus 2. Then now not 12, now only 2. Newly we taken 2, no? This newly 2 you will be plus with 22. Then what will we get? 24. Now here will become what? 41. Then what numbers will be take again? 1. Then 1 into 2 41 is 241. Cancel. Then therefore square root 14641 equal to 121. Okay. Then I think you can understand, means these two number you take, these two remain 1, then 1 time we have to take. After minus, then 46 get, then means less than 46 we have to take any numbers, then 2 times taken, then this newly 2 will be only plus here. Okay. If we have to get again down, then this one will be again, it will be plus. Okay. Means whatever we newly take the number in above, that number you have to only plus here. Okay. Next number 9. 15129. 15129. These two to 1, then 1 times 1 plus, then means 2. Here minus, then 0 means 51 will become. Then 51 means how many times will we go again? 2 times 2 44. If we minus, then 11 minus 4 7. Now come down to 9. This newly taken 2, this 2 only plus here, then means 24. With 24 what plus, then into, then you will be get 7, means last is 9, that means 3 3 3 is 9, 3 4 is 12, carry 1, 3 2 is 6, and 1 7, cancel. Then what will be? Therefore square root 15129 equal to how much got? 1 2 3. Okay. So this is done. The question number 10 you have to try yourself only. Okay, one I given for you homeworks, you try yourself, and next class we will be continue the from the question number 3. Okay, and again I am saying that those candidates are new, you please subscribe, and those have any doubts in the previous questions, you just go to back my videos in previous classes, whatever we done, you just watch it, you will be get everything. Okay, if any doubt, you please you comment, I will be clear your doubts. Okay, thank you.